I am Kurt Butterbonia.
And I am Ivy Monsanto. Today, we're diving into one of the most influential art movements of the 20th century, the style. This was not just a style, but a vision created by a human hand and mind to redefine the way we perceive art, design, and even architecture.
In 1917, a group of visionary artists and architects in Amsterdam came together with a shared purpose, led by Piet Mondrian and Theo van Doesburg, alongside architect Jacobus Johannes Peter Oud. They aimed to strip art down to its purest form. Their movement, De Stijl, meaning the style, was a reaction to the chaos of the world, and attempting to bring harmony and balance through geometric abstraction.
Unlike traditional painters, Mondrian believed that natural forms and colors were too emotional, too chaotic. Instead, he and his fellow artists used straight lines, rectangles, and only primary colors along with black and white to create what they saw as the universal language of art. Their goal to remove all subjectivity and focus on pure structure, a reflection of the ideal world that human creativity could build.
But this style didn't just stay on canvas. The movement shaped architect as well. Here in The Hague City Hall, we see how these principles have been applied to the real-world structures, transforming buildings into living, geometric compositions. Architect took inspirations from this style, proving that human creativity extends beyond art and into the very spaces we inhabit.
More than a century later, this style remains a key influence in modern design. You can see its impact in everything from furniture to graphic design, proving that this movement, crafted by a human mind and hands, continue to shape our world today.
This style wasn't just about lines and colors. It was about vision, innovation, and human creativity. It challenged traditional art and transformed modern design. That's the power of artistic movements. They start as ideas but grow into something far greater. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more discovery on how human creativity shapes the world around us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating.